Coca Cola is one of the most iconic and beloved brands in the world, known for its refreshing flavor and energizing effects. But what if Coca Cola decided to add cocaine back to their formula? How would this change the drink, and what could be the consequences for consumers? Let's take a closer look at this hypothetical scenario. Number 1. The history of Coca Cola and the coca leaf extract. Coca Cola was originally formulated with an extract from the coca leaf, which does contain trace amounts of cocaine. However, the cocaine was removed from the formula in the early 1900s, and the coca leaf extract has been used in the production of Coca-Cola ever since. The extract is completely decocainized and does not contain any cocaine. Number 2. The potential impacts of adding cocaine back to Coca-Cola. If Coca-Cola were to add cocaine back to their formula, it would be a significant change to the recipe and could have potentially dangerous consequences. Cocaine is a powerful stimulant that can have serious negative impacts on an individual's physical and mental health. Consuming large amounts of cocaine can lead to addiction, cardiovascular problems, and mental health issues, such as anxiety and depression. Number 3. The potential legal and social consequences of adding cocaine to Coca-Cola. In addition to the negative health impacts, adding cocaine to Coca-Cola could also have serious legal and social consequences. The use of cocaine is illegal in many countries, and Coca-Cola could face criminal charges and significant fines if they were to add the drug to their formula. Additionally, the public backlash and negative publicity could severely damage the Coca-Cola brand and result in significant losses for the company. Number 4. The hypothetical outcomes of adding cocaine to Coca-Cola. It's difficult to predict the exact outcomes of adding cocaine to Coca-Cola, but it is safe to say that it would be a risky and potentially disastrous decision. The negative health impacts and legal consequences alone would likely be enough to deter any company from considering such a move. In addition, the public outrage and backlash could be severe, leading to significant losses for the company. It's not advisable for any company to consider adding cocaine to their products. In conclusion, the hypothetical scenario of adding cocaine back to Coca-Cola is not a viable or advisable option. The use of cocaine is illegal and has serious negative health impacts, and adding it to Coca-Cola would have potentially dangerous consequences for consumers and the company. It's important to make informed and responsible choices about what we consume, and adding cocaine to Coca-Cola would not be a responsible or ethical decision.